Tapas Fleming here, TATlife.com. Sometimes you're probably going to find yourself hearing your parents' voice saying something to you that you wish they would stop saying. I mean, from within when you're hearing it, that's what I mean. And you'll be thinking, oh, I hate hearing that over and over. Why can't I make it stop? So I just want to give you a couple little tips about how you can make it stop with TAT. The first thing you can do is you can do the TAT pose and just say to yourself exactly what you're hearing them say to you. Like, you have been a complete disappointment to me. And then you can say, after that, what my parents said to me was true, and what my parents said to me may not be true. They may just be repeating what was said to them. Or you might hear them saying something that you've then internalized and made your own, like, I am a complete disappointment to myself and everybody else. So then you can do it the same way. You're just saying the opposites to yourself in the TAT pose. I am a complete disappointment to myself and everybody else. And then it's not true that I am a complete disappointment to myself and everybody else. Or if that feels like too big a step, you can do, it's possible that that's not true, or it may not be true, or what they said may be true, may not be true. What happens is that those two thoughts just cancel each other out and you end up with zero. It ends up quiet in there, and it's really great. The other thing you can do is, if that doesn't really do the trick, you can speak with the parts of yourself that are stuck hearing that thought and feeling the feelings that go with it, and do the whole TAT process about whatever it is you're hearing that you don't want to hear from your parents anymore. This will give you a new sense of freedom because you're not hearing that. It'll give you the possibility for being yourself, being your creative self, and just seeing, oh, I just did that. Like, did some spectacular job at work, and you go, wow, that was great, and it's okay to pat myself on the back. It's okay to feel like, oh my God, I did great, and I'm going to do even better. This is so much fun. I love enjoying myself. So having those thoughts out of there that are like, from your parents, if you happen to have them, just gives you all this new creativity and energy. So there you go. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.